Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm going to have an unboxing. This box and this box. Stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, I have a Jackery here. I'm going to unbox it. Alright, we got the Jackery. Comes in a nice box, a little handle. The Jackery 1000 watt portable power station, power outdoors. The Explorer 1000. Wow, comes really nicely packaged. The styrofoam on the sides. It's a little case. Solar cell parallel adapter for the solar panels. In the box. Oh, it's heavy. Oh. Wow, nice styrofoam. Wow. Flashlight is on. Turn the flashlight off. And the front. See, it has some power already. %47 powered. Here's the input for the solar panels. This is the DC. You have USB-C, 2.5 amp, quick charge 3.0, and you got a cigarette lighter. Over here there's 3 plugs. It's for the AC. And it says pure sine wave 110 volts, 1000 watts. the box are this instruction manual, which has a user's manual, a little cute register now, user manual, and portable power station outdoors warranty card. Inside this little bag is a plug for the cigarette lighter and the wall charger that comes in 2 parts. Nice. Nice little bag. It's like foamy, padded. Okay, now I'm going to plug in the power charge and charge her up. Goes right in there. And I'm going to peel off this little plastic. Now you can see that it's taking a charge. And we'll see how long it takes to charge up. Well, that's charging up. Let's unbox the solar panels. They come with 2 individually boxed solar panels. So let's open them up. See how they look. Bubble wrapped, both of them bubble wrapped. Nice, we'll get them out and show you them in a second. Okay, here's one unwrapped, and here's the other one still in the bubble wrap. Open this up. And then it folds back down. Nice. In the back is a little leg so that when you stand it up, you can angle it to the sun. And on the other side is another leg to angle it to the sun. A little pouch here. Where it's got the wire. Nice. That you attach to the other solar panel and then to the Jackery. Everything's so nicely boxed. Here's the box it came in with all the stats on it. I'll take a picture so you can see all those stats. Okay, inside this box is the parallel adapter. This allows you to connect your 2 solar panels together to attach it to the Jackery so they work in tandem. I'm going to show you guys this thing connected, but I don't have enough room inside the house, so I'm going to take it outside onto the deck and put it together. Be right back. Okay, here's how they look when they're outside and connected. You just take the 2 wires in the back, connect them together right here, like this. And you plug this end into the Jackery, and it'll start charging up your panel. Of course, today here it's cloudy. There's no sun out, so I can't show you it. Well, maybe I will. I'll connect it. I don't think it'll take a charge though. So I bought the Jackery outside, stopped it from charging, and I'm going to plug her in. You see it's red to red, black to black. And huh, it's doing something. Huh, even on this cloudy day, it's getting a charge. Unbelievable. I mean, it's fluctuating, but it's getting a charge. I'm going to leave it out here for a little bit and see what happens. Amazing.